Type pkg install git. Thus command install git, which used to clone respiratory from GitHub. We can check version of git by simple command git space -- version. Now open any browser and search SQL map. Here we found GitHub repository of SQL map project. SQL map is an open source penetration testing tool which automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities. Copy git clone link. Open Tomix and paste that command. Press enter. I have already cloned SQL map repository. Here you can say SQL map dev directory at last. Type cd space directory name and press enter. Here we need Python to run tool. You can install with command pkg install python. Now let's find a vulnerable website. In URL page.php is a Google Doc which help to find vulnerable website. And BD for Bangladesh website because I don't want to hack any own country website. Here we can see many websites. You can try on any website in your own risk. Let's open a website. Here we can see this website related to some company which head office in Dhaka. And another office is in China as well as Singapore. Open link bar and add apostrophe at last. As we can see website react on apostrophe. Its mean get parameter ID is dynamic. In short, website might be vulnerable with get method. Now copy the link and open Tomix. And type python sql map.py -u and paste the link --dbs to fetch database name and --random -agent for random agent. Because many website will block your IP when SQL map is agent. Now press enter. Here we can see website might be vulnerable as we check manually with apostrophe. We found ID appear to be vulnerable with an Boolean based blind method. We found back-end database management system as MySQL. Type Y and press enter. It skipped detection of vulnerability of another database management system. We found another vulnerability of time-based blind method. Finally, we found two SQL injection vulnerability. Now fetching database name. We found two database name. Now rewrite above command. Replace --dbs with -d database name. And add --table to fetch table available on that particular database. Here we fetching table's name. We found following tables including user info table. Now rewrite above command. Replace --table with -T and particular table name. And add double dash columns to fetch columns available in user info table. Press enter. Here we found following columns are available in user info table. Now I want to dump username, user mobile, user email and password. Rewrite above command and replace double dash columns with dash capital C space columns names separate with comma. And double dash dump to dump data. It is illegal, so do not try on any website without their permission. In next video we will discuss about advanced manner to use SQL map.